Easy ways to get free credit cards for Discord Nitro. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys few ways and few resources in which you can get free cards for Discord Nitro. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So for this, you will need to head over to your web browser. So open up any web browser. And after you open it up, the first resource is privacy.com. Simply head over to privacy.com, and after you're there, all you need to do is sign in with their account. Now, just create an account and you will be getting a free credit card for your Discord Nitro. Now, this is a really cool and easy process. You can simply head over to this website, tap on the sign up button on the top right corner, and get started with that. Now, the next way is by heading over to capital1.com. Now, this is another website that you can use to sign in and simply get a virtual card. Now, all you need to do here is head over to the website, tap on the sign in on the top right, and after you tap on sign in on the top right, just create an account. After you create an account, you will be getting a free virtual credit card which you can use for your Discord Nitro. And yeah, that is basically all for the video. Thanks for watching guys, stay tuned for more, and bye bye.